See if I can help you guys out with a little information on putting a little Bluetooth module into the stock, how would you call it, entertainment center, but definitely the stock radio that came with the Voyager here. So I've got mine set to aux right now. Inside this little door down here, right now I have a little MP3 player that I can plug in. I had bought this wiring harness and I had this listed on another video, but it was only $15 instead of that one from Kawasaki for some ungodly amount of money. It was ridiculous how much they wanted. But and of course I just had this little cover. Let me go ahead and pull this off. There we go. So I get this pulled off here, so I can put my little MP3 player into this through the aux. Or, believe it or not, I just found a little module that $19.99 I think is all I paid for from Amazon. You can plug in. It's a receiver transmitter, and I've got mine set right now to receive this little module right here. And I'll go ahead and put a link where I got this on Amazon. I have it paired with my phone, and if I just go quickly into, let's say, here, and yeah, playback stop, smooth. Okay. And right now this is actually receiving, so let me plug this in. This little module, you go ahead and charge this up, and it'll run for 9 to 10 hours. Okay, right now I have it plugged in. I can go ahead and put that in, close the door, and I'm playing right through the actual radio that's on here. And of course, go ahead and crank it up. So that's it. Like I said, this little wire here, I actually bought it. It plugs into the factory harness that's in there, and I have the harnesses behind this in the back attached and tie wrapped up out of the way so just the wire comes through to save on space. And now I can play either Bluetooth, or I can just go ahead and plug it directly into a little MP3 player. Yes, this is old, this is ancient, but it holds quite a few songs still. And I can use the aux function on here, which is kind of neat. So, I just wanted to share that with you guys for $19.99, that module. You don't need no special giant module, switch to Bluetooth, MP, all this stuff. All you need is this, and that little module right there for $19.99, and you can pair it to whatever Bluetooth you have, and get that coming out of your stereo. So I'm pretty excited about this. Once I heal up and I can actually ride, I'll be able to have some better tunes. Anyway guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. And also, to get my channel out there and make the algorithms work a little bit better, you guys can hit that subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to work on getting my subscription base up so that my videos come out and helps the channel grow. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can.